Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations. As today is Palm Sunday, so I thought why not I share with my friends stamp stitch which is hand embroidery, and this embroidery is so much fun to do. I did special project this last season with the stamp stitch, and I was pretty so excited to share with you guys. I have done 10 commandments, all are with the stamp stitch, and as you can see, this project turned out pretty very well, and even backside look very nice. So once you start to learn and have more practice one by one, you're gonna really enjoy this project. If you follow my YouTube channel regular, and if you notice, I have shared this project on the YouTube as well, and this project also I have done with the stamp stitch, chain stitch and cross stitch, and all these stitched together they turned very perfectly. And this project was special on a Pledge of Allegiance on American flag. So if you're really also interested to learn about that project, I can put all links on the description box, and I'm sure you will love to learn about that stuff as well. So let's head over to the project. So for this project, I'm using 6 cord thread because I'm teaching you, so that's why I want to use something thicker so you can see easily. But once you do like a more detailed projects, for this project I just use a 2 cord thread, and I use very small tiny stitches, so all curves and the shape of the letters stay as perfect as they are with embroidery. Alright, this project is pretty simple. All you just have to pay attention. So take your needle up from your back and then make a long stitch here before pulling our full thread down. Then we're gonna take another halfway stitch. So that doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed. All you just have to make sure your all stitches should be on same side. Even you are using the right side or even you are using the left side, your all stitches need to be even and on one side. So we pull our thread out again. That's how we have. So now we already have a halfway here, and then we're gonna make another halfway, so that will be our full stitch. And then we're gonna bring our thread up from the same end of our first stitch. So that's how we're gonna make our first full stamp stitch. As you can see, 1, 2. And then we're gonna repeat the same method. Take this half and take one more half, and then take the center. Bring your needle from the center and end up the first stitch. And that's how we have made another stamp stitch. We're going to repeat the same method. Same method you're gonna use with all letter embroidery as I showed you earlier. All you just have to take like a 1 cord thread or 2 cord thread and take like a tiny stitches, and just follow the shape of the letter or whatever pattern you have. The more you do practice, more you will enjoy your project, and more you will have perfection in your embroidery. I'm not doing a straight line. I have like little stem shape, because then later I'm gonna make a flowers on these stems. And that's it. You can keep moving, make a circle or make a stem, or make more stems on the side. You can make a leaves with that. It's so
Alright, I'm sure you really enjoyed our 2-day stamp stitch video, and as you can see, my stamp stitch project turned out very pretty, and I'm very pleased with that. If you really like our today video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. I wish you all very blessed Palm Sunday and happy Easter. God bless you all. Bye bye.